Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here with a quick unboxing of my Samsung Galaxy Watch 7.
Let's do this!
So I ordered this when it first came out for pre-order, and I traded my Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, so basically it cost me nothing. And they also threw in the fabric white band, which I probably should have gotten in green because I like it better, but I'm probably not going to use it anyway. So let's get the watch out of the box. Of course, the usual paperwork. And here we have our charging puck. And we'll get our first look at the watch. So the first thing I'm going to do is try that fabric brand to see if I like it. And I guess they've made them easier to change the bands by simply pushing that button. So let's see how easy it is to put on the new band. Actually, that was pretty easy. And like I said, I should have gotten it in green because I like that color better, but overall I don't even like the way it feels, so I'll probably be sticking with the band that came with it. So as you can see, I put the original green band back on, which I like much better, and I'm glad the fabric band was free. So we'll turn it on for the first time. And I'm pairing it with my Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it spotted the watch right away. So we'll go and connect. So now we are connected. And of the tips it gives you right away, I think double pinch is the one that I'll probably be using the most. I'll be sure to make another video showing you some of the features of this watch, since it'll do more than the other watches I've had. So we are all set, and I've gotten the 40mm instead of the 44 since my wrist will pretty much accommodate either size, and when I ordered this, the 40 was the only one available. So that's it, guys. The first look at the Galaxy Watch 7. I'll probably be making more videos than I have in the past, since this one has more features than any other watch I've had. Of course, it's no longer at the pre-order price. It's $299.99. And I'll certainly be letting you know if I think it's worth it. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.